Well, I was about to head out, go home, but my buddy brought his pickup truck after we twisted by. He just got done. Well, we just got done. They don't have any lights. So this is what he's
Chunks Fix will get it
right there. I gotta click the boxes about this is under the age of 18. Don't show now because I said mother trucker, or I could just take that out.
Dude, this thing's sketchy.
Yeah.
Rain, bro, it's sketchy. Sketchy. Sketchy.
Really?
Yeah. Like it's like okay, baby. Go on,
Got to patch this up, seal this up. This was a 1990 F-150 that had a 4.9 inline six with a 5-speed in it, and then stock rear end, 308 ratio. We got these Caltracs. Okay, so he said, what did I tell you when I told
put
you?
him right to the leaf spring.
What's one? He said the top or the bottom. He said all the way at the top or all the way at the bottom.
Oh.
Hey, do you remember what he said?
He said all the way to the top. All the way to the top. Good thing.
Yeah?
I believe. That sounds right.
I could call
Son
him back.
of a biscuit.
Man.
Bulldog.
I think he said to go all the way to the top, put you, the driver, in the driver's seat, or let the Caltrac bracket kiss whereas right now that's bound up. Yeah, so we got a lot to learn, but we got to get lights in this thing.
I got a new tail light housing coming from this side.
Okay, to make it look better.
Yeah.
That one's 1990
Stock.
This is like 2017, 18, 19
Something 18.
remanned.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is
Good.
it?
It's nice, clear, clean.
It's
Rock Auto?
LMC. I
LMC. Oh, that was LMC?
I think that was LMC, but I got Rock Auto coming.
Ooh.
So I might have to order another Rock Auto, but it was only $7 whole. So,
Shut up, really?
yeah.
Can't believe that. Still, yeah, it is. There's the paint.
Out of a 2004 GTO.
It's doing good. It's doing good.
Oh, yeah.
That sounds good. Good. Oh, we definitely didn't spray nothing on it, so it's got a piece of metal out the bed. Yeah.
The scrap. Yeah. That's for that's my little spikes I drop when somebody's gaining on me. Drop the spikes.
Oh man, it's a joke. It's a joke. Oh man, stainless steel filler rod for the win right here, for the neck. Okay.
That inline six was heavier. So we dropped weight. I got stripped interior.